For this build, I wanted a small but powerful Homelab server with high performance networking, plenty of RAM, and fast storage for VMs and containers. Let's break down the key components for this build as they are similar to my last build, but slightly different. This build is centered around the Minisforum BD795i SE motherboard. This is a mini ITX motherboard with a PCIe Gen 5 X16 slot and two M.2 NVMe slots. Unlike the BD795M from my first build, this board does not have SATA ports, which forced me to think about things a little bit differently as far as loading the operating system. So for at least my first install of Proxmox, I'm simply booting from an NVMe drive. This little board though sports a lot of power, even though it's a fairly plain Jane board without a lot of bells and whistles. Let's take a closer look at some of those specs. The form factor and